Alright, YouTube, what is up? Today we have the brand new set of tins. This is the TAPU KOKO and the TAPU BULU. So let's just crack right into this without expanding it. Here, let me just any longer, making the video unnecessarily long than it should be. Alright. Tear this off. There's the first one. Come on. Oh, I always hate the wrapping they use for these things. Alright. There are the two unopened tins. Sorry about that slight cut there. I just had to adjust my camera. So we are going to start with the TAPU KOKO GX tin. This tin has the promo, the code, let me just empty these, 4 packs as usual. Get 2 Guardians Rising, Evolutions, and a Steam Siege. Here, let's sleeve this guy up. Let's just pop him in a sleeve real quick. Nice looking greeny sleeve. Alright, that can go, hopefully it'll stay up back there. Alright, we have 4 packs ready to be opened. Let's pop right into them. I'm going to save, yeah, let's do Guardians Rising last. Let's do Steam Siege for our first pack. If I can get it open. Doesn't want to open. Come on. Man, I always have troubles with this. There we go. Alright. Code. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I did it right. Let's see. We got Fungus, Bergmite, Mareep, Clink, Seedot, Special Charge, Clang, Steelix Spirit Link, ooh, Bisharp Reverse Rare, and a Clawitza. That's a nice reverse rare. That's the dual type, actually. It's pretty good, pretty good. Alright, now we have Evolutions. Whoa! That just flew open. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ah, no! Oh, no. Alright. We have Diglett, Drowsy, Caterpie, Doduo, Pikachu, Blastoise Spirit Link, Switch, Nidorino, Reverse Hollow Magikarp, that looks beautiful, and a Starmie regular rare. Alright. Next, we have our 2 packs of Guardians Rising. Let's get right into them. Whoa, alright. Here, let me just try to reserve the pack arts as much as I can here. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 this time. Don't mess this up. Here we go. We have a Gothita, Chansey, Alolan Vulpix, freaking adorable Fletchling, Machop, Lightning Energy, Gliscor, Hakamo, Altar of the Sunny Sun, Delibird, oh, and a Blissey Hollow Rare. That is a good card indeed. That deserves a sleeve. Alright. There we go. Oh no. There we go. Alright. Final pack of this tin. Then we move on to the TAPU BULU. Alright, let's go. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Wait, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2. There we go. Don't want to mess that up any more than I already did. We have a... Oh. Here, my camera is getting a little shifty there. There we go. Delibird, Mudbray, Slowpoke, Goomy, Oh, skipped one there. Rockruff. Psychic Energy. Lampent. Clefable. Max Potion. First Hollow Sudowoodo. And oh my goodness. Oh man, that's a Vikavolt GX. Oh, that looks beautiful. Ooh. Gigatron GX to each one of... Wow. 60 damage to each of your opponents benched. That's pretty dang good. Alright. Tapu KOKO showing us what's up. Giving us some pretty amazing pulls. We actually went 3 for 4. Wow. That was pretty dang amazing. Alright. I'm actually surprised. Alright. Move this out of the way. There we go. Next we have TAPU BULU. Alright. We have the promo, which I will sleeve up right here. Alright. Put them in a sleeve. We have focus camera. Focus. Come on, bud. Tapu BULU with Horn Attack does 30 damage. Nature's Judgment. You may discard all energy from this Pokemon. If you do, does 60 more. Not the best attack, but not the worst. Tapu Wilderness. Heal all damage from this Pokemon. That's not bad. I mean, I wouldn't say I see it in Dex, but it's not that terrible. I mean, it looks great. That's the same. Alright, we have 2 Guardians Rising, Evolutions, and another Steam Siege. Let me just empty these right here and put the lids back on them so I can set them up in the background for you. Alright, here we go. Just set this guy up right there. Oh. Alright. And then our pulls. Nope, that's not going to work. Alright. I am so sorry. I tried to make it fancy looking, but... Alright, here we go. Let's get into the opening. Let's do... should we do Guardians Rising first? No, let's do Evolutions first. Because Evolutions is an amazing set known to all of mankind. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, there we go. Alright. Got a Magikarp. Focus, please. Magikarp. Fighting Energy. Staryu. Tangela. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Rattata. Emokone's Doduo. Secret Rare, which is secret uncommon, but hey. Secret Rare is Secret Rare. Haunter. Blastoise Spirit Link. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Reverse Hollow. Grass Energy. And a Beedrill. And a Beedrill. Alright. We got Steam Siege next. Are you going to open up just like the last one? Yep, there we go. Didn't give me as much trouble. Alright. Code to the side. 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright, let's go. We have a Mantine. Let me just move those out of the way. Mantine, Mareep, Yanma. Oh my goodness, another Mareep. Another, Fletchling. Tangrowth. Captivating Pokepuff. Drifblim. Reverse Hollow Meowth. And Yveltal Hollow Rare. That is another swiggy card. That goes in a sleeve back there. Oh, I hate the focus on this camera. There we go. Alright. These to the side. Let's get into our final 2 packs of the video. Both Guardians Rising. Gosh, I don't know what it is. There we go. Alright. Code card to the side. Alright, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's go. We have a... Oh, come on. Oh, we have a Slowpoke. Oh my goodness. Wishy-washy. Nose... Oh my gosh. Nose Pass. There we go, finally. Wimpod. Goomy. Steel Energy. Or Metal Energy, I almost couldn't think of the name there. Energy Lotto. Hakamo-o. Rescue Stretcher. Reverse Hollow Alamala, which is an uncommon. And a Grandpa GX. Oh my gosh. We're just getting amazing stuff out of here. Jeez. Alright. Let's see. So far, we have the 2 promos and 2 GXs. But I'm not even done with the last pack yet. So we could get like a full art in this last pack. Alright. Hollows. Go right there. Alright. Last pack. Magic. Come on. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm just too weak, or these, like, I just can't get it open. I don't want to bend the stuff inside. So I gotta go like that to get it open, or like... There we go. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright. Here we go. Let's see. Code card. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4. 1, 2. Come on, last pack magic. Alright. Got a Mudbray, Slandit, Stuffle, Slowpoke, Wishy-Washy, Fighting Energy, Hakamo-o, Matang, Altar of the Sun, Lowland Geodude, and a Vanillix. Not bad at all for a tin opening like this. Not bad. I will take it. So for a recap, we have... Oh! No, Yveltal. We have Blissey Holo Rare from Guardians Rising, Yveltal Holo Rare from Steam Siege, TAPU BULU promo, Vikavolt from Guardians Rising, Drampa GX also from Guardians Rising, and the Tapu KOKO promo. Wow, both of these were from... I thought Vikavolt GX was in Sun and Moon base. Maybe I'm just stupid. I don't know. Well, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. And, see you later. Blissey says bye.